Okay, so now we're at the next part of making the melanzane. We kind of build it up like a lasagna. We've finished all the frying off and the cooking and the slices and stuff. And now we're
going to layer it all together.
Have to layer it like a lasagna.
What you would normally start off with, look how lovely and golden and crusty the old machines are now. So what we'd start off with first is putting in a ladle of the sauce at the bottom.
As you can see, I've got a good ladle
of the bottom of the tray. I'll let Jules do that. It's a very rich sauce, so it'll complement the aubergines really well.
And then you spread it all around.
They're doing better.
Like spread it all around, like you spread it all over.
You're going to use all that sauce, because
No,
I could do with some of it.
So you do that, okay?
Why don't you do that?
So once you've done that, you take a piece of melanzane or a piece of aubergine
And layered like so.
Layered like so. Okay. So one like that, one like that, one like that. I'll put that one like that.
It's like crypto factor, isn't it?
That.
You know, half one and two.
Yes, well you need to do that, yes, that's what's the whole point of it. But we just kind of layer it all and build it like a lasagna kind of thing, you know? Know what I mean, Jack? And there like that, and like that, like Dante. That's it. See? So once we've done that, we layer it again with, really this is
Lloyd. Do you not put the mozzarella?
This is Lloyd Grossman sauce.
Nice shot.
No, you have to have plenty. It's got to be moist. Moist. Okay. Now, next part of the trick is we put lovely shredded mozzarella. And we sprinkle lots of that on it.
Sure.
There you go, Dante. Delicate. Treat it with care. Okay, so after that, we're now on to the Parmigian, and we give it sprinkly winkly.
You're not up, man.
No, I'm not up, man.
Sprinkly winkly.
Watched The Godfather the other night. It was fantastic.
The 50 years.
Yeah. The scene where he's to make the sausages for the gang.
You get your meatballs.
That's right.
That's it.
So that's once you've done
You
that.
get your tomato sauce. You get the little red wine.
Great movie. You just tear off.
Oh, do you not slice it now?
Nah. Rustic, my man. Not rustic. You tear off the mozzarella balls. See, like that.
Uh-huh.
Just put that in.
So there's 3 different kinds of cheese in there. There could be 4.
We'll leave that at that, okay? I'll take that a wee bit more with. Now the next thing is, we do the exact same thing again until we get it to the very top. Okay, so now we've built our melanzane, and at the very end we have just a tomato sauce, because this goes in now to the oven for 40 minutes, 200 degrees.
Should we put kitchen foil on top?
No, we don't. So we cook that like that, and then we bring it out after the 40 minutes. We put on the cheese and stuff that we were putting on before, the shredded mozzarella balls and the Parmigian. Cook it for another 5 minutes to melt all that on top. And then once that's ready, bring it back out, let it settle, and
throw it in the bin.
Fucked into it. Look at that! Oi, mamma mia! Off!
Sorry, we forgot to film making the garlic bread from scratch because we're normally, you know, really good at that. They're really good. It's a really good dough you've got here, Jules.
Very nice. Glad you like it. You like the way I done it? The dough? You happy with that?
Really happy.
Okay, well, give that 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, and we should be okay. Okay folks, as you can see we have eventually got to the best part, and that's eating the beautiful melanzane that I made and Dante made the sugo. So we're really happy of the outcome, and we really are going to get tucked into this. If you're trying it yourself, just go for it. Okay. So here goes. Buon appetito.
Bon appetit. Mmm.
That's tasty.
No, that is tasty.
Is that tasty?
Mm-hmm.